Hi, I'm Aaron Dowd with Archer Services, and I'm here to talk to you today about the giant Ligularia. It's one of my favorite plants for a shade garden. It can do well in partial sun. It does not do well in full shade. It's what I call an emotional plant. So any plant that reacts very quickly to its conditions, I consider very emotional. Azaleas tend to do this, hydrangeas, and Ligularias do this. So, for example, last night I came home and this plant was weeping to the ground. It's the middle of summer right now when I'm shooting this video, and the soil conditions dried out a little bit too much and it was weeping. Watered it really well, and it's right back up this morning. So it's very quick to move up and down. Other than water conditions, this is a very, very low maintenance plant. So it does like well moist soil, so you want to plant it around other things that do like wet conditions, but it just has a large kind of leathery, glossy leaf here. Leathery meaning that it's very thick. It's a very hard leaf, but it's a glossy, like 12-inch diameter leaf on this guy here. It does have a flower, which I don't really care for. It's grows about 2 feet taller than this, kind of a yellow daisy flower. What I love is the foliage. It's exciting, adds some more texture to your landscape, and it's extremely low maintenance. It also tends to be deer resistant. Deer don't tend to pick on this one unless there's just nothing else, so they're absolutely starving. It also too will handle freezes really well. It will die back to the ground, but all these died back. We had a really hard freeze in Houston this last year. They died and they all came right back. I didn't have to do anything to them. The only maintenance I do to this one is I just find leaves every now and then that are just not doing well, and I'll just clip them off, or if they're completely dead, I'll be able to pull them off. But like this guy here, just clip it off and it looks good. So that's it for this one. Hope you enjoy your landscape. Have fun with your plants. Try new things. Thank you.